Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer in Windows 10. It also works in Windows 11 as well. So first of all you have to do is open your Task Manager by clicking or pressing Ctrl, Alt and Delete at once and select Task Manager. Now your Task Manager will open. From here you will select Startup Apps. Click on it and click on Status. So you have to disable all of the applications that are enabled by default. For example, I want to disable that Microsoft Teams. You have to disable all of the applications that you don't want to enable whenever your Windows starts. So once you disable all the application, all the unnecessary apps, then close the window and click on Windows button on your keyboard and type run and type %temp%. Click on OK. Your file explorer will open. You have to select all the files and hit on delete. It will delete all the temporary and unnecessary files that are consuming your memory. As a result, it will make your PC faster. Another thing that you can do is click on your Windows button on your keyboard and type settings. Your settings app will open, and from here all you have to do is type dark mode. So you have to select turn on dark mode system wide. From here you have to, if your theme is selected to light, then all you have to do is select dark mode, and then your PC screen will be turned into dark mode. It will save your battery and it will also make your PC fast. The next thing that you can do to make your PC faster is click your Windows button or Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel. Your Control Panel will open. Select Power Options. From here you have to select High Performance. Once you select that, your PC will run into the highest performance, into the peak performance that it can perform. And it's my responsibility to let you know that high performance also may cause and it may use more energy. So it will use more electricity. And that's how you can speed up your computer in Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.